Hello, good morning. Good morning. Only one student, Anika, is there. Please, Anika, tell me today my computer setup got disturbed. Am I audible to you? Just give me whether I am audible to you or not. Good morning. Only one student, Anika, is there. Please, Anika, tell me today my computer setup got disturbed. Am I audible to you? Just give me whether I am audible. Okay. So today I am going to start areas related to circle. ఇక్కడ ఫ్యాన్ ఆఫ్ చేసావా పర్వాలేదు ఆఫ్ చేసా ఫ్యాన్ సో టుడే ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టార్ట్ areas related to circle. Today I am using a different platform, so you will be getting some change in my class. So I am using a separate setup. My regular setup got a problem. So areas related to circle. This is one of the easiest chapter, and you should be aware of a few things. You should know about the circle. That means circle means I'll just give you a few information regarding the circles. This is a circle and center O and radius OA. A is there on the circle, and the distance between the center and the point on the circle is OA, and there is a diameter. Diameter is 2 times of the radius. AB, BD, BC is the diameter, and there is one more part you should know, that is DE. DE is a chord. Okay, DE is a chord, and even BC diameter is also a chord. DE is a chord, and which is also and BC is also a chord. The longest chord of the circle is diameter, and OA is radius. Okay, these are the things we should know. And circumference of the circle also you should be able to know. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. Good morning, Yuvraj Singh. Circumference also you should be aware. Area of the circle also you should be aware. Okay, circumference means only the length of the arc. Only the length of the arc is circumference. Area means the entire thing. If you want me to show area, this entire thing is area. Area is the colored part is area. Yuvraj, you can put the doubt. Okay, I am watching your messages. So this is about minimum basics you should know. Everybody should know about the circle. Okay. So now I will tell you few more things about the circle. So the parts of the circle, if you divide a circle, you will come to know few things. Okay, that is a part of the circle. So if you draw a circle, uh, if you draw a circle and if you cut the circle along with the, say, if I'll cut the circle here, you just see here, I am cutting the circle. Okay, I used Control X. Yuvraj, I am a retired person. I have retired from Maharashtra, a CBSE school. Okay, CBSE स्कूल में रिटायर हुआ था. I am 62 years old. I am just enjoying my teaching. Okay, so now I have divided the circle. Now I got two parts. Let me say this is A and this is B and this is X. And let us say this is A again, because at the same part we have divided it, and let us say this is AYB. So now AYB is an arc and AXB is also an arc. Okay, if you divide only the circumference, the circle part, we call it as an arc. Okay, so we can know the size of the arc. We can know the size of the arc. The size of the arc depends on the central angle. Okay, every arc will make an angle at the center. Say this arc will make an angle at the center. This is the angle made by this AYB. Okay, so now angle made by AXB is this one. So this is the angle made by AXB. Thank you. Thank you, Yuvraj, for your love and affection. I will be happy if you learn something from me. So this is now this arc. There will be two arcs. One is a minor arc, and there is one more thing is major arc. Major arc, minor arc, and major arc. How to judge? How to judge major arc and minor arc? Depending on the angle. Okay, depending on the angle subtended at the center. So this is the angle, let me say theta, and this is also theta. Okay, if theta is equal to 180 degrees, it is called, the arc will become a semicircle. Arc will become semicircle. If theta is less than 180 degrees, then it is called minor arc. Minor arc. Okay, if theta is more than 180 degrees, then we call it as a major arc. Okay, so theta makes the size of the arc. So this is about the arc. Arc means only this length of the, this is only the arc. Okay, we are not concerned with area. Arc will not be having any area. So this is first part of the circle. Okay, let me go to few other parts also. Okay, so now I'll take here, this is a circle. Okay, now again I will divide it. I'll mark O. Okay, now what I will do, I will draw radius. I'll draw two radius. Okay, so two radius, right? So then AB is AOB. So then what I will do, I will just I'll rub this. That means I have cut along with the radius. So this will become a sector. This will become a sector. The difference between sector and arc is, sector is having area. See, sector is having area I'll put some color in this. Sector is having area. Okay, whereas arc is not having area, arc is having only the length. So now this is theta again, right? Sector. Again, this theta will decides the name for the sector. If theta is 180 degrees, then the sector will become semicircle. Sector will become semicircle. Okay. So very simple. I'll draw it and show you. So this is a circle, and this is a diameter. Okay, and this is a center AB. Okay, now I will divide it. I'll cut the circle with my cutting tool. Okay, now I have cut. So then what happened? This is 180 degrees. Okay, this angle is 180 degrees. Therefore, it is a semicircle. So at 180 degrees, the sector will become semicircle. Okay, so I am rubbing this semicircle. If the theta is more than 180 degrees, if theta is less than 180 degrees, we call it as a minor sector. Minor sector. And if theta is more than 180 degrees, we call it as a major sector. Whether it is major sector or semicircle, semicircle or whatever, there is no thing. You have to learn few formulas of this. Okay, formulas. I'll remove these parts of the circle. Sector is one of the important. You should be able to do some questions. Now, sector formulas, first one is length of the arc. Length of the arc of the sector. Okay, length of the arc. That means AXB, this length arc, this length arc of this. So, this length we have to find out. So, for that we have a formula, because this is also divided by theta by 360, that is the angle, into this length is a part of the whole circumference. So we call it as a 2 pi r. So this is the length of the arc formula. Now area of the sector. Area of the sector, that means the shaded area. That is also theta by 360 into theta by 360 into pi r square. It is also a part of the area of the circle, a part of the area of the circle. So, and then third, there is one more formula, like area of the sector. We have one more formula. Okay, half into L into R, half into L into R. L is nothing but length of arc. So these three formulas you should be aware. Okay. In the areas related circle, we didn't go into the exercise. We are just learning the basics. Basics of the circle. Okay. So now, then there is another part. Okay, this is sector is one more part, and the another part is another part. That means in three ways we can divide the circle. So now this is another circle. Then I will draw the card. This is sector is one more part, and the another part is I will draw the card. Okay, AB is the card. Now I am taking the cutting tool and I am just cutting like this. Okay. So this is one more way of cutting the circle. First way is arc, second way is sector, and the third way, along with the chord, we have divided the circle. Saloni, good morning. Wish you all the best. What are the syllabus? Can you tell me the syllabus for your exam so that I can help you in important questions? The other one, if you cut along with the thing, we call it as a segment. Segment. This is the concept of 10th class. This is the concept of 10th class. Now, segment contain area. Say we have area, this is area, and this is also area. Segment contains area. Okay. So then we have to find out area. Our target is to find out area of the segment. Okay. So here also in this segment, definitely every segment contain a chord and arc. Chord and arc. Okay. Definitely chord will make an angle at the center. Chord make an angle at the center. I'll take this part a little down so that I can put the center. Now for this arc the center is here, and for the arc the center is here. Both centers are okay. So now I'll draw the radius. This is the angle made by this major arc at the center, theta. Okay, same way this minor arc also will make some angle at the center, and this is also theta. Let us say theta. That means this segment, I'll take this area little bit this side. Okay. So now this segment contain this segment, major segment and minor segment. Let us say big bada wala major segment. Okay, and this is a minor segment. It also depends on the theta. Okay, now let me contain a major segment. Major segment is nothing but major sector minus triangle AOB. Triangle AOB, I will give you red color. This is triangle AOB. For both the sectors, triangle is same. But major sector, what happened? Major sector, major segment, the entire figure is a sector. The entire figure is sector. That sector minus triangle AOB is equal to major segment. Whereas what is minor segment? Minor segment. Again, here also there is an sector. So minor sector is available here. This minor sector, okay, minor sector, this entire thing minus area of triangle AOB. Okay, this is a minor segment layout. Okay, chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11, 12, 13. These many chapters. Just wait for a minute. I'll complete this and I'll give you some important questions. So, I hope you have completed. In your syllabus, algebra is separate, geometry is there, and also 13th, if I am not wrong, it is statistics. Okay. So, then definitely statistics one problem will come. Definitely statistics one problem will come. One theorem will come. Is it a CBSE school or a state board school? Saloni, I hope you are listening to me. CBSE school. So then definitely one theorem related will question. In theorem there are circles there is one theorem. Eighth chapter is triangles. Okay, so basic proportionality theorem, you go ahead. Basic proportionality theorem, very good. So basic proportionality theorem, you go ahead, and the converse of the basic proportionality theorem also, based on a basic problems. He will give a triangle and a line parallel to one side, find x. So like my first, second, third, fourth problem in the exercise, first four problems you do, so definitely one question will come. बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी के बाद जो भी एक्सरसाइज आता है उसमें से फर्स्ट फोर प्रॉब्लम्स, बाद में सिमिलैरिटी के बाद में और एक एक्सरसाइज है, उसमें भी फर्स्ट फोर प्रॉब्लम्स कर लेना. सो फर्स्ट फोर प्रॉब्लम्स ओनली मोस्ट ऑफ द टीचर्स विल गिव, बिकॉज रेस्ट ऑफ द सम्स थोड़ा एवरेज, एबो एवरेज के ऊपर रहता है, राइट. एंड देन पोलिनोमियल्स में रिमाइंडर थ्योरम पढ़ लेना. डेफिनेटली वन क्वेश्चन विल कम, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k if zeros of so and so. Okay, quadratic polynomial, find the value of k problems. You just revise it. And one more question, third is simultaneous equation. 100% one question will come, solve two equations they will give. There are three methods: graphical method and elimination method, substitution method. So I wish you should learn all the three. Okay. If the paper mentions solve by elimination method, you have to use elimination. If simply he gives solve, that means you can use any method. So definitely one solve question will come, solve the equations, and one word problem also will come. Word problems, ages, streams, like numbers, okay, digits. These are the four categories. In these four categories, definitely one problem will come. Okay, and quadratic equations also is there. In quadratic equations also, factorize, okay, solve quadratic equation. Simple problems are only there. If you don't mind, can you tell me, Saloni, which place is yours? Depending on the place also, your toughness will be there. Your toughness. No, cross multiplication is a part of linear equations, Saloni. If you want, I can explain you, but now there is no time. If you are having time, I can explain you. Himachal Pradesh. Then don't worry, whatever I said, you will be getting. Okay. So definitely solve by elimination method only will come. Substitution method also won't be coming. डेफिनेटली ग्राफ देना है, देना ही है. एक ग्राफ का ग्राफिकल मेथड भी सीख के जाना. सीख, ओके, ग्राफिकल मेथड डेफिनेटली विल कम. So solve the equations by graphical method. Okay, quadratic equations में find the k value, find the solution, find the roots of the quadratic equation, either by factorization method or formula method. फार्मूला मेथड बोले तो ऐसा रहता है, ऐसा फार्मूला x इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस और माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac बाई 2a, ऐसा रहता है. ये फार्मूला यूज करके भी आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म भी. ओके, सो and if you are having any specifically doubt, you can put across so that I can help you, right? And in the description channel, my WhatsApp link is there. You can join. Yeah, you can join and you can contact me whatever the problem you are having. Definitely I'll send you a solution, or I can help you by a video lesson or by interacting also. Okay, you just go through the description and find the information. Definitely it will help you. Okay, so now I'll come back to my lesson. Now I am working on area of the segment. Okay, so area of the segment I have to draw. Okay, so segment is this. Oh, I have I'll okay. So major segment is major sector minus AOB is this color. Minor segment also minor sector minus AOB. Okay, these two. So then here, if you want to find out the area, definitely you have to find out area of major sector and area of triangle also. So इधर आपको सेगमेंट का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है, तो आप सेक्टर का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना सीखना है. And area of triangle you have already learning so many times. Okay, 7th class 6th class से area of triangle आप सीख रहे हैं. So definitely here segment के लिए आप sector सीखना पड़ता है. So this is just understanding. Now let us go to problem from tomorrow onwards. So tomorrow may be Dasara. I may not be taking class. I don't know. If I take the class, I will take the class at 6 o'clock. See you. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share this online class information with your friends. If more students are getting benefited, I'll be more happy. Right? I'll be more happy. See you. Happy Dasara. Today is Saraswati Pujan. Do Saraswati Puja. So you will get benefited. Bye bye. See you.